Another car has been murdered. The victim arrived overheating in traffic but behaving perfectly fine on the open road. A curious case. Who do you suspect? The victim. The main suspects: thermostat, the water pump, or perhaps something far simpler. The coolant temperature rose rapidly when stationary. Yet once the vehicle was moving, the temperature fell again, which tells us something critical. The cooling system itself worked when airflow existed. A permanently open thermostat wouldn't cause overheating. Permanently closed, it would cause overheating always, so let's rule him out. The water pump. He would probably also show overheating under highway and traffic conditions, and there were no coolant leaks, which is a prime water pump clue, so let's rule him out. The last suspect left some obvious evidence. A failed cooling fan. Without airflow through the radiator, heat exchange was poor, and the engine slowly cooked itself in idle. Another culprit revealed. Case closed.